Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I want to remind you that on February 16th, we once again, J Dolls UK and I, as a collab, are asking you to join in our challenge for the Dolls Gone Goth Cupid's cousin. Now you can take that any direction you want to take it. You can use any doll you want to use. My dog just walked across my feet. I was going to lift her up to show you how much she had grown. You can use any doll you'd like to use. You can dress them any way you want to. They can have any weapon or no weapon. You know, Cupid always had the bow. And this on the top of your lip is called the Cupid's bow, because it is the same design used for Cupid's bow. We're going to use the hashtag DollsGoneGothCupid. Forgive me, I have lost my voice and had a sore throat, so I'm not as peppy as I usually am, but I'm trying. Jay, this is so much fun. I always enjoy collabs that you're involved in. And Gothea is hoping that a lot of you will also dress your dolls and post those on the 16th of February. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.